Looking for a way to make your Toddy Cold Brew System faster and cleaner? Toddy Paper Filter Bags are designed to simplify your brewing process while increasing the amount of concentrate you get from every batch. If you want smoother coffee with less hassle, these genuine Toddy replacement filters are worth a look. As a longtime Toddy user for over a decade, I've seen the system evolve, but one challenge has always been the cleanup and managing coffee grounds. Using the Toddy Paper Filter Bags changed the game for me. They catch the grounds perfectly, so you don't have to worry about clogging or messy drains. Plus, the cleanup is noticeably easier, saving you time and effort after brewing. The filter also seems to deliver a slightly smoother cup, which is a nice bonus. The instructions suggest using 12 ounces of coffee grounds instead of the usual 16 when you use these bags. I also increased the water amount from 7 to 8 cups after chatting with a local coffee shop that specializes in cold brew. The rest stays the same: coarse grind, steady water ratio, and letting it steep for at least 12 hours. Sometimes I even brew longer, and it still tastes great. If you're ready to upgrade your cold brew routine, these Toddy Paper Filter Bags could be the simple change you need. They extend the life of your felt filters, boost your concentrate yield, and make cleanup a breeze. Worth a look if you want better coffee with less fuss. Try them when you're ready and see how much smoother your cold brew can get.